Второй класс, английский язык, звездный английский, я умею петь. Домашнее задание, страница 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115. English, Starlight 2, I can sing. Homework, page number 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 110. 110. Новые слова. Exercise number 1. Посмотри на картинки и отметь галочкой правильные и крестиком неправильные предложения. This is a piano. Yes. This is a guitar. No. This is a drum. No. This is a recorder. Yes. This is triangle. Yes. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Посмотри на картинки. Заполни пропуски, как показано в образце. She can dance, but she can't draw. The answer. She can dance, but she can't draw. He can climb and he can run. He can jump, but he can't sing. She can swim and she can sing. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 111. 111. Exercise number 3. Составь вопросы, прочитай их вслух и подчеркни правильные ответы. Can he jump? Yes, he can. No, he can't. The answer. Can he jump? Yes, he can. Can it run? No, it can't. Can they draw? No, they can't. Can she climb? Yes, she can. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Прочитай текст и закончи его, выбрав нужные слова. Обведи правильный вариант. The answer. This is an elephant. It has got a big nose and a big ears. It hasn't got a long tail. It can run and swim, but it can't fly. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 112. 112. Fun time. Запиши слова в своей тетради. Play football. Square. Draw. Circle. Lamp. Sing. Drum. Dance. Daddy. Mommy. TV. Robot. Ride the bike. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 114. 114. Children's Day. Exercise number 1. Прослушай песенку и спой ее. Let's all dance. It's Children's Day. Let's clap hands and shout hooray. We are children. Help us grow. We are children. We are nice to know. Let's all dance. It's Children's Day. So listen, please, to what we say. We are children. Help us grow. We are children. We are nice to know. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 115. 115. Exercise number 2. Нарисуй дерево и напиши на листьях имена своих любимых людей, животных, названия вещей, как показано в образце. Exercise number 3. Сыграй в игру День ребенка. Children's Day. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.